Wait, may I try? The blue button makes everything explode. Wait, tell me if there's extra status more. Yeah.
Yeah, just that. Look! That is kind of creepy.
Hope you don't know.
Oh, yeah.
I go do one then. I go do one then you go do. Oh my god, we did it in 2 seconds. We did it in 2 seconds. Let's go to medium again. Let's go to medium.
Any yes has joined us.
Wait,
What should we try? Hard?
wait. I don't know.
Everyone in the server seems to be.
Going too easy.
Yeah, wait.
Hmm?
I'm just seeing how many of these. Okay, let's just go.
Yes.
No!
Why?
No!
I go get the exit button thing. Go to the thingy, okay? No! I died.
Yes!
I died. What if you die?
I'm dead. I'm dead.
Wait, I'll show you.
No!
Yeah.
No, I know this.
Is what difficulty is it?
I don't know.
Maybe it's like intense. Or right?
Oh, yeah, I don't know.
Maybe. No, it.
What do I do?
The people say you must jump there to there, then you climb there, then you
No,
must
I don't know.
No, it's a wide difficulty, so only God can do that.
Never mind. Let's just go in hard.
Let's go to intermission.
Intermission.
Whoa! Oval. It's an oval, okay? We just press. She's not letting us touch any button, I guess.
Nowhere. No.
Wait. No, I missed the jump because of the oval like just kicking me, then I fall into the lava. I mean the water, okay? Yeah?
Easy.
Why did I say chat and the school?
No, I don't know. Let's do escape.
Wait, may you die at the last thing?
What?
The last room, because I want to have same wins. Okay.
Yeah, win safe.
Green. Oh.
No. That is cool.
Hey, go to medium. How is this possible? Kathleen. Go! See this island? Go on. Guys. Wait up. Only forgot, so medium. That stage we played just now was only for medium using coilers.
Hey. Yeah, bye guys.
Thank you.